Wasn't supposed to come in until tomorrow. It's here a day early, and I'm so excited to open it in this beautiful little box with Louie. All right, let's unbox this. So these are the little Joy-Cons. This is like a neon pink. I mean, I knew that it said it was neon, but I did, like, in the pictures, it just looks like they're red and blue. This is like neon. They're so, like, this shirt is red. This is pink. Good morning. So today is Saturday. I believe the last time I spoke to you guys, I was very excited about my Nintendo Switch. We are on our way home this weekend, but we stopped off at Claytor Lake last night, and it's currently sunrise, and we're looking at a very beautiful sunrise over Claytor Lake. So we're gonna take some pictures. Brandon there. Don't know if you can see him, but he's over there. He's gonna shoot a time lapse. I've got this camera taking a few shots, and yeah, I think we're gonna go hiking this afternoon, and we're gonna go hiking on Sunday. So this weekend is going to be a lot of adventures. Can't wait. So just finished shooting the time lapse on the GoPro. Like I mentioned before, Brandon was also shooting a time lapse on our other Sony camera. So if those were any good, I'll put those in right now.
What's up? So this weekend we decided to head back to Richlands, and today is Saturday. We're trying to go take some pictures of a place we haven't been before. We're in Lebanon. I think it's called Pinnacle Park. Is that what it's called?
Big Cedar, oh yeah, Pinnacle Park, and then the trail that we're doing is Big Cedar Creek Trail.
So I'm thinking there's going to be a creek at the end, and so we're going to try to get some cool pictures, and we'll see what happens.
set up with Brandon. And this is the wind pouch with the falls. Now we're just gonna sit down, relax for a little while. I wish I would have brought my book to read, but I didn't. So I guess I'll just enjoy the view, listen to the nice sounds of the falls. Alright, so we just left the falls. It was pretty cool down there. Like I was saying, I just put up the wind pouch, relaxed a little. I thought, like, if I would have stayed still long enough, I would have fell asleep in the wind pouch, but that didn't happen. I didn't stay still very long. I wanted to take some pictures and things. Yeah, we're leaving now. We're gonna leave the park, and then I'm not sure what we're gonna do for the rest of the day. If we don't do anything exciting, I'll see you tomorrow.